Universities are trying to actually bring out an employable graduate, and the initiatives, be it in different parts of the world, are very different, and we are trying to, and there is always a debate as to whether the graduate that is employable, is that graduate made within the classroom or outside of the classroom. So we at Botho, we have also gone with the employability of the graduate as our mission, and our profile of the graduate, which is the Botho graduate profile, speaks of the holistic profile that a graduate requires when they come out to the market. We came up with the Botho graduate profile, which has the career traits, which is those traits that the graduate acquire out of the classroom, which is your knowledge and your technical expertise. Then we've got the personal attributes, which they have to actually, and we've got student services department, which runs various sporting activities and club, which actually build the personality of the graduate in order to be a team player. When you ask an employer, what is it that you want in a graduate that you want to employ? The most common things, they should be able to communicate well. They should be a team player. They should be able to solve problems. They should be decision makers. These are the kinds of things that the employers always tell you. So this is what these other activities are trying to engage in the graduate. But end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, I think there is one important quality that actually, it is the graduate's personal quality that actually makes the graduate more employable than anybody else. Institutions and organizations can aid, but it is the graduate themselves that have to make themselves more employable, and that's what I strongly believe in. We've got the career and advisory services. What do? We get in industry to come and talk to the graduates. They come and do motivational talks. We provide them with skills on how to present themselves, how to be good at interviews, how to write their CVs. But does that find them jobs? And then we've got the projects office. What do? We work on live projects. We have students working on live projects with clients so that they are not challenged when they go out there and get themselves a job. And what happens? They are not able to perform. Every employer wants a graduate that hits the ground running. And that's what we are trying to do. I'm sure every university goes through industry reference feedbacks on their programs. We do have feedback. The curriculum is designed with their feedback in place, trying to incorporate the cutting edge technology that is required. But does that actually address what the employer is looking for? All the higher education institutions have got initiatives, but are the governments really playing a part in it as well? We've got students taken abroad. We've got Education Hub who's trying to bring in foreign students. But we've heard world over, there are challenges in students being able to move across the world as well. So is government really playing a part, or is government playing according to the politics? I think that's a long debate that can go on.